Alright guys, as you can see, she is rolling. Oh man. For the first time in 2 years, I finally have this baby going, and super excited. She got new wheels. Let me get those. She got new wheels and new tires, and I got the Neogen 215 45 17, and oh man, super happy, super excited that in about a week this thing will be outside rolling, and oh man, I just can't be happier right now. Oh man, what a man, what a project that was. What a story I actually made with this thing. The whole sanding it down, painting, rebuilding the engine, rebuilding the transmission as well. I will have those videos coming soon as well. She's not done yet. I still have a couple of things to do. Bumper is here. That's a good thing. I will paint the bumper, and yeah, she is just finally on the ground. She's finally on the ground. That's all I can say. I will roll her out, and later I will do minor things as I go, of course. I bleed the brakes, the Brembos, all of them, and she stops. She stops really good. I'm happy with that. I mean, it's not a big test, but she does stop. That's the main thing. Really, once again, I'm super happy with how far I have came with this thing, and of course, super happy to have my family here in United States supporting me, at least my wife's side, as well as my mom and dad in Europe. But anyway, like I said, I'm super happy to have them to support me. One thing that I will have to do, since these wheels got spacers, to clear the Brembos, I will have to purchase an inch spacers in the back and put them as well. Like I said, a huge milestone for me, and of course I'm really happy for the people on the YouTube that have been supporting me as well, on YouTube, Facebook, and the Instagram. Like I said, I'm really happy right now. She is, like I said, on the ground. Underneath the car, I still have few things to put on, and of course I have to do fenders next, just to put them on. And front bumper, like I said, it's here. I just have to paint it. I do have headlights as well. They're here. I bought brand new ones. You guys are gonna check that out. Probably unboxing video on that. And I do have to do a trunk, which is, there's no glass in there. Those are my fenders. Anyway, interior, I think for now I'm gonna install the OEM seats. That they're perfectly fine. No, they're not damaged at all. So I'll put them back in, and of course, as I go, I'll probably purchase a new thing. Right here I have AC to hook up AC compressor, as well as the power steering. But power steering, I'm missing the banjo bolt that goes on top, and I can't find it. I looked all over the place, so I will have to go junkyard and get that. Also, the battery tray over here that's gonna hold the battery, I have to go get that as well. Pretty much that would be what I wanted to do on her for now. And then of course she needs a really good cleanup, a really good washing. So anyway, once again, I really appreciate all you guys watching my videos. Just super happy. Also, I recently hit 500 subscribers, and yeah, that was great too. Like, more videos I post, more folks I get to support me and help me out, as well as I'm helping them and you guys with all the ideas and all the things I've been doing with this car, and more, of course. But anyway, she's here. She's on the ground, and I'm really happy. So anyway, thank you guys again for watching. Of course, make sure you like and share. Subscribe if you're new. Comment down below if you need any kind of help or something, guys, and I'll be more than happy to help you out. Anyway, stay safe, and I'll see you guys next time. Laters.